In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio files to your new Google Sites. It's a straightforward process that will take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Google Drive. This is where you'll need to have your audio file stored because we'll be sharing it from here. Once you're in Google Drive, navigate through your files and select the audio file you wish to embed into your Google site. Make sure you select the correct file, as this is the one that will be shared with your site visitors. After selecting your audio file, you need to adjust its sharing settings to ensure it is accessible to your audience. Look for the share icon, which usually resembles a small silhouette with a plus sign. Click on this to bring up the sharing options. You'll notice that the default setting is often restricted. Click on the word restricted to explore other sharing options, and you'll want to change this to anyone with the link. This setting will allow everyone who visits your site to access and play the audio file without encountering permission issues. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Done to save your adjustments. Next, you'll need to open the file in a new window. To do this, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the open file, and from the drop-down menu, select Open in New Window. This step is crucial as it allows for the next action, which is embedding the file. In the new window, click on the three dots again, and this time choose the Embed Item Sheet option. A dialog box will appear containing the embed code. You'll need to copy this piece of code as it is essential for linking the file to your Google site. Now that you have the embed code, go to your Google site. Once there, navigate to the section where you want to place your audio file. Look for the embed option in the menu. Clicking on it will present you with two options, by URL and embed code. You want to select embed code and paste the code you copied from Google Drive into the provided field. After pasting, click next to continue, and then click on insert to place the audio player on your site. Once the audio player appears, you can resize it to your preference to ensure it fits well within your site's layout. And that's it, you've successfully added an audio file to your Google site. You can now preview your site to see if everything is working as expected. It's always a good idea to test functionality, so make sure to click the audio player and check if the file plays correctly. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.